How to fix Depop login problem 2026. First things first, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have one, simply switch to a better network. And then all you have to do is head backwards and open your device's app gallery. Once you locate the Depop application icon, you simply have to long press it. However, I have not yet downloaded Depop, so I'll be showing you how to access the clearing cache option. So once you tap on this app info panel by long pressing the application icon, scroll down and go to the storage and cache. From here, you will find the clear cache option. Once you tap on this, all you have to do is now proceed to relaunch the Depop and your problem should be fixed. Or what you can also do is simply launch any web browser of your choice and go to the official Depop website rather than using the application. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.